I also want you to picture a scenario where we have our security agencies. Some of them are your relatives as well. Some of them are your brothers and sisters. Young. These young people are also our children.
Yes.
And they have the responsibility of ensuring that there's security in the country, whether within the borders or even internally. They also have to face this. So we also saw unfortunate incidents where also some of the security personnel were injured, harmed, put in harm's way, because the people who said they were protesting transgressed and went beyond what is envisaged in the Constitution and became violent. Kenyans in the diaspora are now remitting just close to $1 trillion benefits. To Kenya. That is not a joke. It may be in small doses. Wanasema haba na haba fanya nini? Ujaza kibaba. It may be in small doses, sometimes to our siblings, to our relatives, and not only, but cumulatively. It is huge. And it's hitting that figure that I'm just telling you. And Kenya's foreign exchange reserves are now just below 5 months cover. So Kenya has got that, and that means in foreign reserves, Kenya is holding close to $11 billion in terms of foreign exchange reserves.